How can I change the name of my Alexa device?
Hello, and welcome to our video. Today, we're going to tackle an essential part of personalizing your Amazon Alexa experience, changing the name of your Alexa device. It's a straightforward process, so let's get right to it.
Why change your Alexa device's name?
It can be handy to change your Alexa device's name, especially if you have multiple devices in your home. Changing the name can help you quickly identify which device you're interacting with, streamlining your smart home setup.
Accessing Alexa settings.
The first step to changing your Alexa device's name is to access the settings menu. To do this, 1. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Tap on the More option, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. 3. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings.
Navigating to your device.
Next, you need to navigate to the device whose name you want to change. 1. In the Settings menu, tap on Device Settings. 2. You'll then see a list of all your Alexa devices. Tap on the device you wish to rename.
Changing the device name.
Now, you're in the right place to change your device's name. 1. In the device settings, tap on Edit Name. 2. Delete the current name and input your new name. 3. Tap Done or Save to confirm the change. Remember, your new device name should be something unique and easily recognizable for you. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change the name of your Alexa device, allowing for easier identification and a more personalized user experience. We hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy using your newly renamed Alexa device.